Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I'm Iram Iftikhar, and today I'm here with a new sound, and it is t. T. Yes, it is t. Now, watch its action. T. T. Dear kids, imitate that you are watching tennis match. Turn your head from side to side and say t. T. Imitate that you are watching tennis match. Turn your head from side to side like this and say t. Now learn its formation starting from the dot. Are you ready to write down? Starting from the dot, down, 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 curve and cut from the middle. Starting from the dot, down, 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 curve and cut from the middle. Okay, now practice it in the salt tray, and you can practice it in the air and the back of your friend. Let's have some vocabulary words. T, t, teddy, t, teddy. Yes. T, turtle. T, turtle. Guess what is next? T, tennis. T, tennis. Very good. T, table. T, table. T, tomato. T, tomato. Okay, it's story time. Let's have story and wave your hands whenever you listen to sound. Tom and Tamiko have been watching an important tennis match on television. There was a crowd waiting for the match to begin. The players came onto the court and the crowd clapped. The match began and they hit the ball to each other. T, t, t. The people in the crowd turned their heads from side to side, watching the ball. Now, Tom and Tamiko are outside, pretending to be the tennis player. At the match, they hit the tennis ball to each other. T, t, t. Some animals among the tulips are watching them play. They turn their heads from side to side, watching the ball, just like the crowd at the match. I hope you have enjoyed the story. So, learn a new skill, and it is blending. Assume that Sir is sitting on your shoulder, A is sitting on your elbow, and T is sitting on your hand. So, just pull down S to and A towards T. S, A, T, S, A, T. Very good. Now, do it again. S, A, T, S, A, T, S, A, T, S, A, T. Sat. Very good. Let's do it in another way. A, T, A, T, A, T, S, A, T, S, A, T, S, A, T. Okay, I hope you will learn it soon. Now it's poem time. Let's listen the song of Two. Have you ever listened that song? Yes, it is very interesting. So let's start. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Great. I hope you have learned a lot and it will help you to learn new sound. Okay then, thank you for watching and take care.